So basically everything that I want to have an ink bleed effect, I have it on one layer, and that layer is a smart object. I have my texture over the top. I'm gonna bring the layers panel over here so that I'm not covering it up. In order to get an ink bleed effect, come over here to this button and go to solid color. Now let's take that fill layer and just put it behind our graphic there. And then we're gonna go to window adjustments, and then we're gonna look for threshold, and let's put the threshold layer above our graphic. Let's take the graphic and the white fill layer and let's group those together. Once you do that, take your threshold, right click it, and go to create clipping mask. Let's take all of that and put it in a group, and we're just gonna call this ink bleed effect. Now that we have everything in place for this effect, come over to the graphic layer, go to filter, blur gallery, and then go to field blur. From here we have these little points here, and we can kind of position these. You take it all the way down, the effect is a little bit less. You bring it up, the effect is more. And so I'm just gonna bring that up slightly over here. Let's add one here just so we can get back some of that detail that we're losing there. Maybe apply one here, and then again to get back some of the detail that you're losing within a smaller text. I think that's looking pretty good so far, so I'm just going to OK this, and once that's done, you can just collapse the group. And then let's go to our effects panel here, then go to blending options, and this little slider here, just nudge it over there, and there you go. If you want to come back and adjust it even more, all of this is live, so it's non-destructive. If you guys like videos like this and want me to do more, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Thank y'all for rocking with me. Peace.